Very good morning, my dear students of Growing Soul Kids Gurukul. My lovely students, so it's time for your study now. Get ready with your pencil and notebook. Class 2nd, subject English, topic is pronoun.
Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well. So as you all know, I am Bharti Sharma, your English teacher. So my dear students, let's start our study. Today's topic is pronoun. Okay, what we are going to start today? Pronoun. Okay, so now take out your notebook and pencil and write down the definition of pronoun. So what is the definition of pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. It means pronoun is used to avoid the repetition of noun. Noun के repetition को avoid करने के लिए, for that we do not use the noun continuously or regularly, so we use pronoun. Okay, so here is the example: I, she, he, you, we, they, it, etc. Okay, so first is I, she, he, it. These are the singular pronouns and we, they are the plural pronouns. Okay, you can be used in both singular or as well as plural. Okay, so now can you tell me when we use he, she and it? Yes, she is used with the girl or female. He is used with male or you can say boy. Okay, it is used with the non-living thing. Okay, for example, it is a beautiful place. Yeah, this is a beautiful place, but instead of a name you can say it here. Okay, so we and they is used for plural form, for like students. Instead of student you can write they. Okay, next you can be used with both the singular or plural pronouns. Okay, so now my dear students, what we are going to learn now means how the pronoun helps to avoid the repetition of noun. Okay, so let's see with an example here. Shiva is a boy. Shiva is a very intelligent girl. Shiva is very intelligent. Shiva like to play badminton. Here the word repetition word is here is Shiva. Okay, so what we are doing here, the word Shiva, we change the word Shiva to yes he. Okay, because he is used to any boy or any male name. Okay, hope you understand. Shiva, because Shiva is the repetition word, so we can change the word Shiva into he. Okay, so all you know how to pronoun helps the avoid the repetition of noun, how it can be used in place of noun. Yes, okay, we are going to do an exercise. Okay, here question is write a pronoun that could use or replace the underlined words. Okay, जो भी underlined words हैं आपको उनकी place पे noun को put करना है. Okay, so question sentence first is Priya loves to sing. Priya loves to sing. Here tell me Priya. Priya is the underlined word, so here the word Priya, what you will use in place of Priya. Priya is the name of girl. Okay, so girl के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Yes, she. Okay, second is the program will be tomorrow evening. The program will be tomorrow evening. Here the program is the underlined word, so the program means that is to be a particular thing or it will be a non-living thing kind. Okay, so the program के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? It. Next is Rishi and I will be sitting in the front of row. So here underlined word is Rishi and I, means मैं और Rishi. When we combine these two words together, what we found means हम. Okay, so Rishi and I मतलब हम will be sitting in the front row. हम कहाँ बैठेंगे? Yes, front row में. So तो ऋषि and I के लिए जो word हम use करेंगे as a pronoun वो क्या होगा? Yes, we. Okay. Students are playing football. Students are playing football. So here the word students के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? Yes, they. Okay. Next is Vivek is dancing. Vivek is dancing. So here underlined word is Vivek. So Vivek के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे? He. So I hope you all will understand how to use these words in place of noun. Yes, very good. So एक बार revise कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? She is used she is used in place of any name of girl, okay, or a female name, okay. It will used in place of any non-living thing. We means हम, okay. They means वह, okay. And he means it. He is used in place of any name of any person, means name of any male, okay. So now my dear students, here is your homework, okay. You have to replace the underlined words, okay, in pronoun. Okay, for sentences, my brother is tall. Here, my brother's underlined word. Rohit and Ravi are friends. The giraffe is tall. My sister and I go to park. Hemant is doing his homework. Okay, so it's your homework. You will do. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Till then, stay home. Stay happy.
Dear students, it's time for your homework now. You have to complete the given homework in your notebook. Okay, dear students, bye bye. Take care. God bless you.